What if provincial elegance could feel weightless, like spring air through an old French manor? Jean-Michel Frank reimagined rustic chic with pared-back luxury, soft light, tactile calm, pure escape. This house tour reveals how minimalism transforms heavy tradition into your dream, breezy haven. Imagine stepping into the entrance hall. Soft spring light spills through tall windows, wrapping you in a gentle glow that feels like a warm hug from an old friend. The limestone floor is cool beneath your feet, smooth and timeless, while those lime-washed walls whisper serenity. It's that first breath of homecoming, light and unhurried, where every corner invites you to linger, exhale, and let the day's worries meld away into pure, peaceful elegance. Sink into the living room and feel the sunlight dance across your skin, turning everything golden and alive. The air hums with quiet joy, the subtle textures brushing your senses like a soft breeze through open fields. Here, time slows, cozy yet grand. It's where laughter lingers and hearts unwind, wrapped in an embrace of understated luxury that makes every moment feel effortlessly perfect. Gather in the dining room, where daylight pours like liquid honey, bathing the space in a soft, inviting warmth. The atmosphere cradles conversations, each ray highlighting the gentle textures that make you feel held, cherished. It's intimate magic, nurturing, alive with possibility, where shared stories bloom and the soul finds comfort in this haven of refined, heartfelt simplicity. Hello! The kitchen calls you in with sunlight kissing every surface, filling the air with a fresh, hopeful vibe that sparks pure delight. Textures invite touch. The cool stone underfoot grounds you, while walls glow like morning mist. Cooking here feels like therapy, easy and soulful, every corner breathing life into your days with cozy rhythms and whispers of springtime abundance. Slip into the master bedroom, where sunlight filters softly, cradling you in layers of tranquil light that soothe the deepest parts of your soul. The floors feel like a gentle anchor, walls a tender veil diffusing warmth. It's your private sanctuary, dreamy, enveloping, where rest comes easy and mornings awaken with a lightness that makes your heart sing quietly. Settle into the home office, sunlight streaming in waves that chase away all shadows, infusing focus with a breezy calm. The textures under your fingers feel familiar, reassuring, like an old friend's hand. Ideas flow here effortlessly, wrapped in this bright nook of inspiration, productive yet peaceful, where creativity dances freely in the gentle spring glow. Curl up in the reading room, where light weaves through windows like golden threads, pulling you into a world of quiet bliss. The air feels plush, textured walls embracing you softly. Lose yourself in pages here. Time fades, comfort reigns. Every breath a sigh of contentment in this sunlit cocoon of stories and serene escape. Unwind in the sunroom, sunlight flooding every inch, turning the space into a living poem of warmth and whisper-light joy. Stone floors ground the exuberance. Walls capture the glow like cherished memories. It's pure bliss, outdoor ease indoors, where you melt into lounging, breathing deeply amid nature's tender kiss, utterly at peace. In Frank's lighter provincial vision, true luxury whispers through sunlight and texture, stripping excess to reveal soulful serenity. Let this mood inspire your space. Embrace the elegant pause, where less invites deeper peace and every room breathes effortless spring renewal.